Hi guys, it's Sheri and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 18. So it is almost 5 o'clock. I just got home from work, maybe at like 4:30 or something. I'm really tired. I'm so tired today. I don't know why. So I think I'm just going to sit on the couch right now and watch TV or maybe read a book, watch YouTube videos. I have no idea.
Crunchy cookies, smushy, smushy, smushy cookies. Last confection, sweet perfection. Which will it be? Final cookie. Wow, we got caroled. We got cookie caroled. Wow. Whoa.
My hair. What? Okay. Anyway, I just realized I haven't been showing you guys my advent calendar that I got. Because I was home in New Jersey for a while, I haven't opened up days 1 through 12. And I think what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna open those days from Christmas until whenever, because those are actually, if you didn't know, those are the real 12 days of Christmas. I thought I would show you my advent calendar because it's a really nice one. And now that I have this, I can never go back to cheap chocolate advent calendars ever again. So this is the advent calendar that I ended up getting. You can purchase this on Williams-Sonoma. I think they have this brand, La Maison du Chocolat, every year. And then it just ships closer to the holidays. And like I said, I haven't opened up days 1 through 12. So I've just been opening 13, 14, 15, 16, and then today is the 17th. So I'm gonna open this right now. The nice thing about this advent calendar, after you open it, the chocolate is actually covered by this little piece of plastic. So one, it never falls out, and then it's protected. And then today, we have this little thing. I don't know what it is, but. So that is the one advent calendar I have. I typically only do one. I know some other people do so many other advent calendars, but I just always do a chocolate one just because that's always what I've had. I will say that I do have this study book, which is sort of like an advent calendar. This is from She Reads Truth. I've linked this in other Vlogmas videos. This is kind of like a Bible study almost, and it just has readings for every single day. I have been using the She Reads Truth app for quite some time now, probably like 3 or 4 years. But this is the first book that I've ever actually, like, physical study book that I've ever purchased from them. And this is such good quality. It's amazing. And then this book also has like recipes and activities you can do. Highly recommend this. I will continue to link it down below, or at least I'll link the website because this book is not available anymore. It's been sold out for a while. While I'm standing here at my kitchen counter, I thought I would share some other things that I've gotten recently in the mail. This is a little tartan headband that I purchased from Rarity by Casey. I love her headbands. I have quite a few from her that I wear to the parks. She sells a lot of Disney patterned headbands, and these are really, really comfortable, and these actually do stay in my hair. And I have a lot, and I have really thick hair, but these are just super comfortable. I really, really love these. And this was just one of her holiday offerings that she had, this plaid tartan version. And then she started making scrunchies, and so I got this ruby velvet scrunchie. It is so nice. It feels like such good quality. It is a very, very, very tight, so this will probably really hold my hair. Oh, kind of matches my nails. So I am really excited to wear this. I think I'm gonna try to wear this to work on Christmas. Again, I have no idea if this is Disney look or not, but we're gonna try. Look at this, my eczema is flaring up again, which is super annoying. Oh my god, look at all those boxes. I actually have to mail those, or some of those. Oh my gosh, one of them is my Bath and Body Works box full of Christmas candles that I keep forgetting about. I'll open that tomorrow. So I thought I would show you this as well. This is the Trader Joe's essential oil kit that I got. I kept the box because I wanted to take a picture of the back that tells you what the essential oils do and then how to use them on the side, just because I'm so new to this, I don't really know. This is the little diffuser that it comes with. This is just a glass case with the wool balls in it. Like I said, like I mentioned in the first video, I got the green one just because it's my favorite color and I like this one the best. The two oils that I have been diffusing when I get home from work are the eucalyptus essential oil and then the lavender essential oil. So I've been using these two. I don't necessarily use them together. Sometimes I do, sometimes I just use them separately, but I really I'm like really loving this whole essential oil thing. To be completely honest, because this is so tiny, I feel like it's not great for a really huge room. Like I live in a 1-bedroom apartment, so I've used this just in my kitchen living room area, and it probably isn't great for the whole room, but it's really great if you put it like close to wherever you're sitting. Usually when I get home from work, I'll put it in my living room, and then at night I just move it to the kitchen. I don't know why, but that's what I do.